Hello YouTube and fellow stackers, this is Turbo with Turbo Stacking. We've got an action-packed video today where we're going to do a show and tell of February 2025's stacking goals and results, followed by a redrawing of the 500 subscriber giveaway, Goldback giveaway video from last week. Stay tuned. You could be a winner. Since we're so busy, let's just jump right on in. In February 2025 goals, I bought a few items that I've already accounted for in my goals, but had opportunity and price is right. You know how that works. So this is not only going to chronicle my goals, but also my purchasing. So there you go. I ended up purchasing some Nevada generic bars, two 2-ounce and two 3-ounce bars. These are pretty cool. I like these a lot. For a total of 10 ounces. So my local coin shop had them and I had to take advantage. So there you go. I also purchased, $4.80 worth of junk for a total of 3.43 troy ounces, which puts me at 29% for the year, my yearly goal for junk. I also purchased purchased 8 rounds, but also received, that's the wrong, I posted that note on the wrong item. So I purchased 8 rounds, and then my wife, Mrs. Turbo, got me another 2 rounds from Scottsdale Mint for Valentine's Day. So I got a total of 10 rounds. And then I also picked up 3 uncirculated I picked up 3 BU Morgans. These are freaking beautiful, really shiny. One of them here's glassed white. I also picked up a Europa coin. I believe that was a spot deal. I can't recall, to be honest. So that's approximately 27 and a half ounces or so purchased in silver for February. I also picked up 2 1/10 Britannias. These are still in the plastic here and still perforated. So like that. That puts me at 22% for that goal for the year for 1/10 gold. And I also picked up some Goldbacks, which were not on my goal list. However, I wanted to pick some up for some giveaways, and then also decided I wanted to have a few of the Florida series Goldbacks. So I ended up with almost a 1/4 ounce of gold and 27.43 ounces of silver, putting me at 48% of my goal for the year, 21% in gold and 48% in silver, for a total of 48%. That doesn't really sound right, but I guess the 34. Yeah, no, that's right. So 48% for the year, and I'm only in March. But to be completely honest, I plan on having a few dry months here. My daughter's about to get married in May, so also I'm having a 10-year anniversary and a trip, so it's going to be a tight year in terms of mid-year. Anyway, let's jump on over to check out the income streams. Okay, and in terms of income streams for February, I received $215 in gift cards and returns. $100 birthday check plus $115 return for Christmas present. Didn't fit. Interest, let's see, $38.22 in interest, $3.53 in roundups. I also received a $50 check from Rakuten, which that's one of those browser plugins that you can, or extensions that you can go shopping with. And I also received $17.71 from my PayPal, MasterCard, or Cashback MasterCard. It's for a total of $325.02 in February, giving us a grand total of $1,003.88 towards my free gold plan 2025. Wow. After 2 months, already a third of an ounce of gold. Okay, guys, I'm going to finish up this portion of the video and transition on into my Goldback giveaway redrawing. Last week we had a drawing for 3 lots of Goldbacks. However, due to a technical difficulty during the editing process, I lost the video for the first series of drawings that I made. And due to my conscience, I couldn't live with myself, so I reached out to the original 3 winners and notified them that I'm going to honor their win, even though an editing mistake deleted the video, proving that they won. So I gave away a total of 6 lots. One of those lots happened to be a person who lives out of the country, so we're redrawing. Coming up next, let's see if you win. Hello, YouTube and fellow stackers. This is Turbo with Turbo Stacking. Last week, I gave away 3 lots of Goldbacks. However, one of those lots ended up living out of the country. What does that mean for you? Let's see. As many of you know, last week, on Thursday, March 6th, I had my 500 subscriber giveaway drawing for Goldbacks. I was giving away 3 lots of Goldbacks. And the winners of those lots were Argent Appeal, Roman Michael, and Randall Anthony. However, Roman Michael reached out to me and let me know he's out of country and then I need to redraw. Initially, when I recorded this drawing, there were 3 different winners. However, due to a technical difficulty during editing, I lost all of that video. I couldn't live with myself, so I went ahead and reached out to the original 3 as well. So instead of 3 lots, I gave away 6 lots, 5 of which have been spoken for, 1 of which is still up for grabs. So, here we go. You have another shot. Let's see. Okay, 54 unique comments. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Who's it going to be? And it is Southeast Stacker. All right. I know this guy. His channel assisted me and my channel from the beginning. Very happy for him. Just in case anything else happens, we'll have another backup drawing, but I think we should be good to go. You guys have a good evening. As you were, Turbo out.